might be a little shy for that. It's clean. I cleaned it this morning. You want to get it? They're like, just watch it for now.
Right.
It's for babies, so they can practice.
What time?
Sundays and days.
Shelter, feet, water, and then the animals come back. You always think about
that out. Aim that. Squeeze hard.
Down to the bottom.
Good job. Good job, you're fine. Woo. Okay, you're up.
when you see the fire,
He's the fire maker.
Okay.
Back
Wait
up.
till you see the fire, alright? Alright, good job.
Daddy.
Stay with me. Come on into this room, kind of make space. My name is Tim Citro. I'm actually the fire chief.
Material 24
So thank you for coming to our open
He's
house.
en route for attempted chemical suicide.
So this is our fire station 1. This is our downtown fire station. Does anybody know how many fire stations we have in Humboldt Bay Fire? 5. That's right. 5.
5 days.
One here, one out by Winco, one at Myrtle and West, one out by Redwood Acres, and one out by the golf course. We're a merger between the City of Eureka Fire Department and the Humboldt Fire District number 1. We've been merged for about 15 years now. Before, we had yellow engines in the fire district and red engines in the city. I don't know if anybody remembers all that, but now we're all one big fire department. So this is our fire station 1. This station houses our ladder truck company and our battalion chief that's on shift 24/7. Does anybody know what kind of shift firefighters work? So we work 48-hour shifts. Okay. So for example, the shift that's on today, they got to work yesterday morning at 8. Got up this morning here and will work and get off tomorrow morning at 8 in the morning. We have 3 shifts that work 48 hours for 24/7 coverage. There's a minimum of 4 firefighters on duty here every day. Our other stations have a minimum of 3. Who thinks all we do is just fight fires? You think that's all we do?
No.
What else do we do?
Get cats out of trees.
Sometimes. Rarely. Do fires. Emergency medical. So that's. So about 70% of our calls are for medical emergencies. Okay, that's what we do most of the time. All our firefighters are minimum EMT, and we're the only fire department north of Santa Rosa that offers paramedic services. So we have paramedics on our fire engines too that can do everything that the ambulance does. And everybody says, well, why do you go on medical aids? Why doesn't the ambulance just do that? There's only 2 ambulances in Eureka. That's it. And they're not just going on 911 calls. They're doing transfers and all kinds of other things, okay? It's our mission. We protect life, property, and environment. It doesn't matter how we do it. We do hazardous materials like you're hearing right now. We do water rescue. You saw our boat out there. We have trained rescue swimmers on our fire engines. We have hazardous materials, water rescue, I know I'm missing something. We do so much. We have an urban search and rescue team for technical rescue. So if there's an earthquake or collapsed buildings, we're trained on how to deal with that. Okay? So this station, again, is our main station. This is the workout room. Okay? So we're required, I require that our firefighters do an hour of physical fitness every day. Okay? Not only is it important for their physical health, but it's important for our mental health too. And every year we get a full-blown annual physical. We have a company that comes in and does physicals for us. We do VO2 max, treadmill, we do everything to make sure that we're all in shape. And fortunately, by doing that, we've actually saved the lives of a couple of firefighters that we didn't realize had underlying cardiac issues and things like that. So it's real valuable that we do that. Okay? So if you want to follow me down the hall, I'll show you our kitchen area. The truck and go on the call, come back, and go to sleep. There's some nights where they may sleep all night, and there's some nights where they don't sleep at all. They're just up constantly running calls. So hopefully a lot of times the nighttime is quiet. What I'm going to try and do, our dispatch center across the street's a little busy, but I'm going to have them set off the alarm in here so you can see what it's like when it goes off in the middle of the night and they have to get up. How long do you think they have to be between getting in bed and getting on the fire truck?
30 seconds.
About a minute. And we do not sleep with our turnout gear by our beds anymore. We do not do that anymore. Because our turnout gear is highly contaminated, and we don't want that off-gassing next to us. When I started 30 years ago, we did do that. We don't do that anymore. We have laundering in all our fire stations now so our gear stays clean.
Oh, I know. It creeped me out too.
That's your
I
favorite
looked over
toy.
for a second and I saw there was a hat down there.
Is that your favorite toy?
What do you do? Daddy's home.
Betty.
Thanks. Appreciate it.
Betty Fuller.
Okay, she's going to... So be quiet. They're going to set them off. You can see. Here it comes.
Ready?
Is this your bag?
Time to go to fire.
I thought it was going to be louder, like piercing.
So that's what it sounds like in the middle of the night. We don't have a big loud bell or alarm because we don't want to get woken up real suddenly. What's that bad for? Hearts. Okay, so we try to keep it, oh, we can get up. Okay, now we can go. All right, so that's what it sounds like. The red light comes on at nighttime in all the rooms, so everybody knows there's a call, and we walk our way out. All right, any questions about in here? This used to be really big. We put these walls up to kind of separate it and give some space and some privacy. There is snoring going on and whatever else happens with people still, so it helps a little bit.
Of course.
So follow me and we'll go out here.
Of course, they're snoring.
Suicide deli.
It's on.
I've done it. I've done it once. Trust me. It's even harder with a camera.
So this is where the battalion chief sleeps. He's got his own room.
I don't even want to see you do that.
Come on down the stairs. We'll go into our office. Friday, 8 to 5. For business reasons, we get a lot of people coming in for building permits, talking to the fire marshal, just general inquiries, things like that. We also teach CPR classes. We do stop the bleed classes. We do car seat inspections. We do all kinds of services that people come in and want from us. It's a really good thing that we have that. We have an administrative assistant who works here at the front desk. Our business manager's office is there, our fire inspector office, and then myself and the deputy chief will walk down the hall and you can see our offices. So if you ever need to come in here and do business, this is where you come, and we're here for you. Yeah. Again, is Monday through Friday, 8 to 5. It's kind of interesting because you have, this is our business office, and you have firefighters living here too. So we kind of, during the day, we're kind of intermingled all around. It's really neat. Like sometimes I'll go upstairs and have lunch, with the crew and things like that. It's just a good place. So we'll walk down the hall.
Thank you so
You're
much.
welcome anytime.
That was awesome.